Hi everyone, it's Jane from Keller Williams Covina. Today I am in Chino looking at a single family has an HOA, smart HOA with included some amenity, and this house is located in 15393 Moonflower Avenue. It's about 1,720 square feet, featuring 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. Let's come take a look. Coming into this beautiful home, first thing you see is this mud room area. It's very unique with tiles in a circle-like shape. And then coming in this way, after this opening, you enter the kitchen area. So there is a island. You can fit some chair here for breakfast, and then 2 windows facing the street. With the sink in the middle. Also, you have some recessed light underneath the cabinets. This would be the fridge area. And then over here with the chandelier, you can fit your dining table here for a formal eating space. And then this door is the access to the outside. Keep walking. Over here, you can put a cozy couch here facing that way, a TV and a fireplace. And this recessed area, you can put TV or shelves here. Next to the fireplace in the living room, this door leads to the double car garage. And keep going 2 steps up. It's the hallway bathroom. So it's a half bath featuring a toilet, sink, and some cabinets for storage. Well, that's it for the first floor. Let's check out the second floor. Arriving on the second floor, first thing you see is this loft area. You can make it into a family gathering space, a game room, reading room, or office, however you like to make it. And then keep walking on this way. Over here is the hallway bathroom featuring double sink, toilet, and a tub. Behind this door, it's some linen closet or storage area. And then over here, we're entering a first bedroom. This bedroom is very unique as it has some accents on the wall, and so as the molding on the ceiling. And then on this side is the second bedroom. Very similar layout like the first one, with windows and sliding door closet. Next to this bedroom, we have a laundry room here. Washer dryer hookups with some cabinets on top, and so as the outside, there are more cabinets for storage. On the opposite side of the flex area, we are passing on this hall. So there are some cabinets here. You can use it for storage, or you can possibly on the tabletop use it as a workspace. And then entering on this side is the primary bedroom. First thing you see in this primary bedroom is a walk-in closet. And then next to it, you have some bay windows here, possibly fitting a desk for makeup or chairs for hangout area. And then over here on this side is the bed space. So feel free to arrange however you like for your bed. And then potentially you can put TVs over here. Over on this side is the primary bathroom. So it's featuring a private toilet, shower, a tub, double sink, as well as a walk-in closet. Thank you everyone for touring this beautiful home here with me in Chino. So this house is located in a community. HOA fees about $81 per month, cover the pool and some landscape outside. And I would like to give a special thanks to Gabriel Valdez from Open Door giving us this opportunity to film. And if you like this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home, feel free to reach me for a private showing. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.